Welcome to another review from Ultimate DIYer, and today we are going to look at matcha tea. This matcha tea is made by Superfood Science. This is going to be the UGI ceremonial-grade Japanese tea. Some of the things I like about this tea is it is going to come individually packed like this. You're going to get 12 of them inside of the overall container. And this container actually is resealable. So you're going to open it here just like that, and you'll pull out one at a time, put it back and seal it. So it's going to lock the freshness in to the actual container here for the product so that it is fresh every time you get one. Now, a couple of the other things I do like about this, you can take this tea individually packed, put it into your glass, and I'm going to use a clear glass instead of my normal mug just so you can see what it looks like, because we're going to mix some up, but you'll do one at a time, and it does not have sweetener in it. It is naturally sweetened. So if you don't like the flavor of that, you can add your own sweeteners, whether it is a sugar or whether it's stevia or whatever it is that you like to sweeten with. Personally, I'm not a sugar person. I love stevia, but we're going to try it without any other sweeteners. We're going to see what it tastes like. So now, how do we actually mix it? We can mix it with cold or warm water. You can actually add cold or warm milk, and you can do a combination of the two, which is what we're going to do today. I've already warmed up a little milk and got some warm water. We're going to try and see what it actually tastes like. This is also non-GMO, and it is gluten-free. So let's open up a pack though, and let's see what it does. Now, what I like to do, I don't like to just pour the powder in and then pour water. So I will generally put a little water in first. And I'm going to do probably about a little bit more than half of the container in just the warm water. And then we'll do the milk in a second, but I'm going to go ahead and mix first. So we just rip open the bag. Does not have much of a smell to it at all, guys, but you're going to take and just put it inside of the glass. So you can look in it right there, the nice powder, it's floating around in clumps. We're going to go ahead and pour a little milk in. So I'm going to go ahead and use a frother because it's so fine, it'll actually probably work a little bit better for mixing. Just like that right there. Get it mixed up really good. And now we're going to give it a try and see what it tastes like. So here it goes, guys. Let's give it a taste. You know what? There's no sweetener in it, but it actually still has a little bit of a sweetness taste to it. It's not bad at all. The milk really smooths it out. To be honest, I actually like it. So guys, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars. I love the fact that it's individually packaged. I love that it's ceremonial grade matcha and very good quality. I like the fact that it's GMO free. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a box of it today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we'll see you guys on the next review.